Very good. Find a place where nobody disturb you. You're going to activate and deactivate the powerful energies for the rooster. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Very, very deep. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Relax, relax, and relax. Now, let's go on and visualize a very strong energy right at the top of your head. This energy is warm, going down your neck, your back, your chest, your arms, your stomach. It's going down all the way through your legs and landing in the center of the earth. You are very, very relaxed now. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now we're gonna go a deeper level. We're gonna count from 20 to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in and out. Now, we're going to activate the mind emptiness. I'm going to have a clear vision. Every day and every way, I am raising to my awareness. Every day and every way, I am clearing my path to greatness. Every day and every way, I am awakening my skills to the maximum capacity. Every day and every way, I am a source of support to myself and others. Every day and every way, I am here to grow and see possibilities. Every day and every way, I am clear on my mission for the moment. Every day and every way, I am accepting the present timeline and seeing possibilities. Every day and every way, I am one with solutions to my life. Every day and every way, I am my own source of support. Now we're gonna activate the energy of great consumer in a positive way to protect your assets. Every day and every way, I am growing my mindset with money. Every day and every way, I am creating more money. Every day and every way, I am awakening my knowing to grow my money. Every day and every way, I am solving problems using happy money. Every day and every way, I am exchanging money energy happily. Every day and every way, I am seeing possibilities using my assets. Every day and every way, I am exchanging ideas and happy money is coming to me. Every day and every way, I am happy providing services and help to other beings here on earth. Every day and every way, my assets are protected by my archangels of light here on earth. Now, we're going to deactivate low vibes from the Calamity Shah and Obstacle Star. Every day and every way, I am free from moving forward towards my mission. Every day and every way, I am healing my life in every aspect. Every day and every way, I am opening new doors towards my vision. Every day and every way, I am using my light to brighten up my path and moving forward. Every day and every way, I am opening new cycles to grow. Every day and every way, I am healing my life in every aspect. Every day and every way, I am powerful, strong, and protected. Every day and every way, I am safe, healed, free, and healthy. Every day and every way, I am held by my archangels of light and power. Every day and every way, I am protected physically, emotionally, and mentally. Now we're gonna go back and become aware of the room. I'm gonna count from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes and remember, you are protected, you are loved, you are powerful.